Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you my Gloppie lunchbox. I'm going to show you how awesome this thing is and how much it holds. So this lunchbox is really easy to clean. This little part on the inside you can take in and out. I do find crumbs in there sometimes, so I appreciate the fact that this kind of separates the dirtiness from my food. This is great for adults. This is great for kids. My kid has taken it to school and she loves it. And she said it keeps her food nice and cold. And the storage in this thing, I am just shocked. Like, you can see my kid's lunch. There's so much stuff in there and I still have room for more. You can very easily stick cans in here. I feel like it could hold almost 6 cans. And it is just an awesome lunchbox. All the designs I've had from this company are really great. And I just want to show you the size of the lunchbox with my daughter next to it so that you can kind of get an idea of how big it is. I highly recommend this lunchbox, but that's just my point of view.